How to make money on YouTube reusing other people's videos. Before we start our video, let's discuss YouTube money facts. Even in this decade, when inflation and poverty are increasing every other day, YouTube paid $28.8 billion in ad revenue in 2021. This is a 46% increase from the previous year 2020. YouTube pays creator a major share of this $28 billion. Money is the motivation and deciding factor for most of us that makes us work hard and burn the midnight oil. But what if you work smartly and make more money? Sounds great. Then this video is for you. In today's video, I will be showing you the secret and not so revealed ways and methods that you can use to make money on YouTube by reusing other people's videos. People are already making millions by transforming other reusing videos. The definition of YouTube creator has changed a lot. Let me show you how. Before I dig into the smart ways to reuse other videos and make money on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Technical Solution, and press bell icon as I will be updating you with latest and proven ways to make money. What reusing video mean is that you don't have to create your own videos from scratch. If you have a smart mind and know YouTube copyright policies, you can reuse other people's videos 100% legally and can even monetize them. You would not need any camera, no fancy equipment to shoot videos from scratch. Just some video editing skills and smart enough to find your videos that can be reused. We have seen people making claims on YouTube that can actually make money by just re-uploading other videos on YouTube, by downloading them, putting them together, editing in software, changing video size, adding some copyright-free background music, adding some free stock footage, and it will start printing money like a machine. Is that true? Well, we have experimented with all this, so you don't have to. In 2022, it doesn't work anymore because YouTube algorithms are so updated and fast that it will catch any outdated sorcery within a day and your channel will go boom. You will get a direct copyright strike from the creator. So what are we gonna do then? To avoid copyright claims on your videos, you must know how YouTube copyright policy and the YouTube algorithm works. These are the smart ways to make money from YouTube without ever reusing other videos. Number 1. Reuse movies to make money. People love movies and are watched by millions. And you can earn money on YouTube by repurposing movies. 2 ways to repurpose and reuse a movie are: 1. By making review videos of movies. Provide the review of the latest movies. Add your opinions. Talk about the story. Talk about the main theme, the expectation from the movies, and how it performed. You can even get movie ratings from IMDb. Tip: adding your cam face video while reviewing the movie would make your video perform better. 2. Explaining the story of a movie. Another super interesting hack is movie explanation. The niche is viral nowadays and gathering millions of views as there are lazy viewers who somehow can't manage to watch a complete movie. These videos are 10 to 20 minutes long, decorated with main scenes from a movie and the story. All you have to do is voiceover, add background music, and some shots from the movie. Let me show you the stats of similar channel, Movie Explainer. This channel is making a whopping amount of money, almost $25,000 a month. Number 2. Make money creating YouTube top 10 videos on trendy topics. Researches show that humans love competition. These are videos in which a comparison is shown over a period of time. Top 10 type of videos fall into this category. People love watching them because it evokes a sense of competition. If you are successful in picking a top 10 topic that your audience and many people are interested in, you can make good money out of it. A channel named Top 10 is already making $500,000 each year by making just top 10 videos. Number 3. By reaction videos. Making reactions is super fun and easy. To make reaction videos, you would be needing some acting skills. Research showed that the majority of people love drama and emotions. Pick any viral video like a song, TikTok video, or some current event happening and add your reaction to it. The more dramatic and emotional your reaction, the more chances of the video going viral. Number 4. Take advantage of stock footage to make high quality content. Another popular method is using videos from stock footage sites. Video stock sites are such sites that provide copyright-free content to be used in your videos. Stock videos are short pieces of videos made by other people and are used by creators in video production. With royalty-free stock footage, you can modify and re-upload them on YouTube to make money without having to film or create your own videos. For example, you can make a meditating video, get some scenery footage from a stock site, and add copyright-free relaxing music from Epidemic Sounds or Ben Sound. You can find high-quality stock footage from Pexels, Video Hive, and Shutterstock. Number 5. By doing commentary on other people's videos. Another fun category is becoming a commentator on YouTube. If you are a sport expert, a geek gamer, and an analyst, this is for you. For example, pick any sport match, live or pre-recorded, become a commentator, and your video is ready. Tip: you can even live to a stream a match by playing it in the background and commentating in the foreground. Number 6. By making compilation of videos. You have to make a compilation of hot and viral videos from social networking platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Put together some funny short videos of your niche. Again, don't forget to add some creating factors like voiceover or commentary to avoid copyright infringements. Wanna make quick money by compilation videos? Don't forget to target trending celebrities. Number 7. By using affiliate product videos. This is one of the quickest way to earn money on YouTube. You can find different product videos from e-commerce sites like Amazon, Crop, compile them, and can upload them to your channel. Join an affiliate program like ClickBank, Walmart affiliate program, or Amazon affiliate program. Then you can even add affiliate links of product in video description. Every time a viewer click your custom link and purchase the product, you will earn a commission. Interesting thing about affiliate product videos is you can make money both ways, not only from commission on sale of a product but by views on videos as well. Number 8. Reuse Creative Commons videos. Creative Commons is a license by YouTube that gives allow other to use content creator videos. YouTuber allows creator to mark their videos with a Creative Commons license. Search any video like how to train my cat. Click on the filters, go to the drop down, click the Creative Commons. We have got cat training videos here. Remix these videos and your voiceover. You can upload this video by placing your own tags and description. Tip: you can use text-to-speech software like Speechlo to generate a voiceover. Number 9. Shorts Fund. In 2021, YouTube announced $100 million short funds in some countries. You can get your share out of it. The short bonuses ranges from $100 to $10,000 upon depending your short performances. Choose a creator not having a YouTube channel. You can download watermark-free short videos from social media platform and upload them to YouTube, keeping in mind YouTube's community guidelines and monetization policies. If your channel doesn't fall under the short fund, you can drive traffic to your main channel and make money there. An interesting fact is that you don't have to qualify for monetization or upload using a YouTube short camera. Words of advice. Always add your channel intros and outros to your videos. No matter what content you reuse, always focus on your niche. First of all, do some research, select a viral or less competitive niche, and then all you have to do is be consistent until your channel gets an audience and start generating revenue. And don't forget to add captions. Captions increase engagement and are indexed by YouTube, boosting your videos and generating more revenue. That's all for today. Have any questions? I'm here to help. You can ask in the comment sections. Want to learn more? Press the subscribe button and click the thumbs up as more exciting videos are on their way. Bye.